Hello everyone, and welcome back to my pet rescue centre. Can you spot anything different? That's right! We are in Africa on safari. Let's see who needs our help today. We have Zane the zebra, Uma the flamingo, and Asha the cheetah. Come on, let's go and find Zane.
Zebras have a striped pattern on their bodies to help them camouflage in the grasslands. Camouflage is when an animal blends in with its background so it can't be seen easily.
Hello, Zane. I don't think you'll be able to camouflage very well today. You are black and pink. What happened? I see. You have sunburn. Did you spend too long in the sun?
Going outside in the sunshine is lovely, but we must remember to protect ourselves from sunlight by wearing a hat and putting on sun cream.
You look outside and it's a sunny day. You can't wait to go out and play. But just be careful when it gets too hot. You should get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Slip into the shade. Get out of the sun and sip some lemonade. Get out of the sun. Put on some sunblock. Get out of the sun when it gets too hot. Zane, I know you'd like to spend your days on the savannah where you like to graze, but every now and then you need to take a break and get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Slip into the shade. Get out of the sun and sip some lemonade. Get out of the sun. Put on some sunblock. Get out of the sun when it gets too hot. Just be careful when it gets too hot. You should get out of the sun. Cha-cha-cha.
So next time, Zane, take a break in the shade and remember to protect yourself from the hot sun. Robbo, could we give Zane some sun protection, please? That's better. Take care in the sun, please, Zane. Who's next? Uma the flamingo? Let's go!
Flamingos spend lots of time standing in water. They usually balance on one leg to stay warm, and they use their specially curved beaks to catch their favourite food, shrimp.
Hello, Uma. Ouch! Look at that nasty bump. Have you hurt your head? Oh dear, it sounds like you lost your balance and fell over. That bump looks sore. It's very important to look after your head. Let me check you over. Let me just have a quick look in your eyes. I'm checking to see how your eyes react to a bright light. That's good. You seem to be fine. I think we just need to help this bump go down. Robbo, can we have an ice pack, please?
An ice pack is a bag filled with ice that can help soothe bumps and bruises. The cold helps to take away the pain and shrinks the bump.
There you go, Uma. You'll be fine in no time. Just watch out for the wobbles in the future. Now, off to our next patient, Asha the cheetah.
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run at a speed of 70 miles per hour, which is as fast as a car on the motorway. And they can reach that top speed in just 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Asha. How can we help you? I think I can see the problem. Have you been out running today, Asha? I think you have been running so fast you've given yourself a blister on your paw. It will get better on its own with some rest, but I think we had better protect it with a plaster too.
Plasters can help our bodies to heal themselves. By covering the sore area, it protects it and keeps it clean so it gets better faster. Which plaster would you like, Asha? Red? Green? Blue? Yellow? Or orange?
Does that feel better? I would slow down a little though. Wow, the African plains are a busy place for the pet rescue team. I'm so pleased we could help Asha, Zane and Uma today. Join me and Robbo next time as we help more animals. See you again soon.
Bye!